Janica!
Segundahan ko lang po yung sinabi ni Kevin na walang dahilan para hindi manood. Lalo na pinagbibidahan ng isang Alden Richards, ng isang Catherine Bernardo at direksyon ni Direk Cathy. Mag-e-enjoy po tayong lahat.
Thank you, Janica. Val?
Ngayon pa lang po, nagpapasalamat na po kami sa mainit ninyong pagtanggap. Sana po sa darating na November 13 ay lalo pa po namin maramdaman ang inyong pagmamahal at suporta para sa Hello, Love Again. So yun po. Thank you so much.
Nakasar ka nila, Val, oh. They're mocking you daw, oh. Para ka daw konsehala.
Hindi. Sinasabi na from Jenny. From Jenny ka kasi, I Vincent. Then, kaya ba,
Oh, eto Joros naman. Oh, ikaw na.
gusto ko lang treserahan na...
Segundahan,
tresera na tayo. Na sana panoorin po ninyo ang Hello, Love Again. Yung mga international workers natin, istorya ninyo to. At mga international watchers natin, sana po panoorin po ninyo lahat at mag-enjoy po tayo. Let's celebrate Philippine cinema.
Yes!
At lahat tayo dito sa Pilipinas, supportahan natin ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Thank you! Konsehala Joros. Okay. Direk Cathy, it's your turn.
Okay, I would like to start by thanking everyone because I might not have a chance to do this. Simulan ko because I'm not going to LA, Mark and Marvin. So I'll miss your cooking, Marvin, and Uno, and sino ba tong pang-apat na to? Charing joke!
Jobert
Joke
po yan.
lang, Jobert. Thank you so much. And of course, Jenica, Val, and Joros. Of course, mamaya na sana kayo. Si Miss Ruby, si Tonton, yung mga pabigat, Jeff Tam, Kakay, Lovely, Maymay. Alam niyo po, laging sinasabi ni si Jameson, si Anthony Jennings, si Lito Pimentel, si Maricel Laxa, si Wilbert, oo. William Lorenzo, saka yung bata, yung dalaga, Lizelle. Si Lizelle. Alam niyo po, whenever they say, congratulations, Direk Cathy, ang ganda ng pelikula mo, meron akong feeling na parang si Carmi. It is never my film. It was never mine. A film can never be created by just one person. Grabe ang utang na loob ko sa lahat mula sa nag-isip ng kwentong to. Of course, andyan ang management, no? Management, tapos yung kwento, lahat na nagpuyat, nag-isip, papunta yan sa mga artistang inarte, binigyan ng buhay yung kwento, sa mga crew na sumuporta, mga marketing, promo natin, lahat po yan ay tulong-tulong, and I am just very blessed to have worked with them in completing Hello, Love Again. It wasn't a simple sale. Marami rin pong pinagdaanan ng Hello, Love Again bago nakarating at natapos ang pelikulang to. And ang laking ginhawa na ang mga katrabaho mo ay kasama mo sa vision na gumawa ng isang magandang pelikula. And with this, I would like to invite everyone, especially lalo ng mga kababayan natin. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nasa Calgary. Thank you so much sa Calgary team. Thank you so much sa Hong Kong team. Thank you so much. At sa lahat ng nanood sa Calgary at humingi ng pasensya sa mga hindi namin napagbigyan na makita ninyo in person, si Alden at si Catherine. Pero alam ko naiintindihan nyo kami. And thank you so much. I hope to see you again and to go back to Calgary. I love Calgary. I love Canada. And ano pa ba? Yon. So ito po ay naanyayahan po namin kayo. I always pray every night. I don't pray na kumita siya ng malaki. Ang pinagdarasal ko lang lagi, sana ay magustuhan nyo sila. Magustuhan nyo yung movie. Sana makarating kami sa puso nyo. Sana we would want, ako lagi ko yung dream sana paglabas nyo ng sinehan, gusto nyo magmahal uli at umuwi. Sabi nga ni Carmi, sa home nyo. This movie is about going home and I hope you find your homes. So thank you, everyone. I love you. Whatever success this brings, God, we offer this to you. Thank you.
Saka thank you, Direk Cathy, for doing this. Maraming salamat. Carmi, you wanna add lang something?
Speaking of thank yous, ako, sana, hindi ko papalampasin yung opportunity to thank Direk Olive Lamasan. From part 1 until now, she's been there together with us.
And
happy
happy
birthday,
birthday!
Inang!
Inang, happy birthday po!
We love you, Direk. We love you, Inang. Thank you very much from the beginning, from Hong Kong to Canada to wherever in the world. She's always with us. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, Carmi. Here we are. Alden, Catherine, your message.
Parang of course, first and foremost po, nagpapasalamat ako sa tiwala na binigay ng Star Cinema during Hello, Love, Goodbye. Thank you so much for that opportunity. And you know, with Hello, Love Again, ngayon nabigyan din ng opportunity na magkaroon ng another first, which is Star Cinema in partnership with GMA Pictures for this project. Papasalamat po ako sa creatives natin, kay Tala and kay Ate Carms, of course, for the trust na kaya kong panindigan yung character ni Ethan. Thank you. During the first film din, maraming salamat sa tiwala until Hello, Love Again. And of course, to sa whole cast, Joros and yan, sila Jeff Tam, sila Kakay. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil nagkaroon ulit ako ng mga bagong kaibigan with this film. And of course, to Direk Cathy, thank you since the first time I've worked with you, Direk, I made it to a point na just to really be with you in everything. I think that's what really worked sa first part and sa second part. And yung paghawak niyo po sa kamay namin dalawa ni Kath while making the film, I think really helped this story to come into life. And of course, to Kath, thank you so much for the continuous trust working with me. I know it was not easy, you know, to work, especially during the first part, yung Hello, Love, Goodbye. Hindi madali yung Hong Kong. May mga challenges tayo dito sa Canada na pinagdaanan. But ang maganda kasi doon, we were all in this together. And that really meant a lot to me. So thank you so much. I think hindi ko magagawa tong project na to without you. So I'm very grateful and maraming salamat sa paghawak sa kamay ko in this project. So to everyone, we're just very proud and we're very happy to have this film brought to life again, of course. And malapit niyo na po siyang mapanood this coming November 13 in cinemas worldwide. Hello, Love Again po. Maraming salamat.
Grabe, parang ang usapan kanina, happy-happy lang tayo, pero we can't help but be emotional because, you know, the bond that you've made and, you know, yung tulungan nyo sa isa't isa. Kath, what do you want to say?
When they told me about this project this year, 2024, honestly, I was really scared and hesitant kung gagawin pa tong part 2 kasi alam naman natin kung gaano kahirap gumawa ng sequel. But then sinabi ko, who's gonna direct it? Sino yung team? And nung sinabi nila, it's gonna be the same team, that made me say yes to do this again. Because it's Direk Cathy, it's the same team, it's with Alden, and I think this is just the perfect time to do this movie. So andito po ulit tayo ngayon. Di kami makapaniwala na tapos na yung pelikula and pinopromote na namin kasi parang wala kaming time to process it kasi sobrang daming schedule. Tapos ngayon lang sa akin nagsisink in na, oh my God, we're really doing the MediaCon. So, iba lang siguro yung naramdaman kong suporta and yung anticipation sa project na to. Grabe lang yung support na naramdaman namin from day one. Na lahat ng mga tao, from our bosses, to the team, sa crew, yung sa lahat, ramdam mo na lahat nakaganyan, tulong-tulong. Kasi ang hirap gumawa ng sequel. Hindi ako nakakakaba. Takot na takot ako. But, naniwala talaga ako dito sa project na to eh. And sinabi sa amin ni Direk Cathy, nung sa look test, diba Direk, you said, anak, para mag-work to, kailangan hawak kamay tayo and tatalon ka with me. Kayong dalawa ni Alden. Sabi mo sa amin, handa ba kayong tumalon? Sabi namin, yes. So eto kami direct ngayon, tumalon kami and patuloy na hawak-hawak yung kamay natin hanggang sa mapanood nila tong movie. Kung paano man nila to tanggapin, I know in my heart na sobrang saya ko sa movie na nagawa natin. Sobrang saya ko, MJ. It's such a beautiful story. And I can't wait for you to see it. So please make time for it. Gawa to sa puso. And kung alam nilang yung pinagdaanan ng team, more than us, para magkaroon ng Hello Love again. Grabe. So, just please make time for it. And, konti na lang. Mag-iikot kami sa kung saan-saan na probinsya hanggang sa ibang bansa to promote it. So, salamat sa lahat ng mga pinuntahan naming malls, sa pagtanggap. Salamat sa mga nakakausap namin everyday na sinasabi lang excited sila mapanood yung film. Thank you for giving us a reason to do another film again. It's all because of you. So now on November 13, let's all find joy again. Let's continue the love story of Joy and Ethan. And gusto ko malaman what is home for us after watching this. I want to hear your thoughts. So, thank you for your time to our press. Maraming salamat. Medyo na-late na tayo. Marami rin di nasagot kasi napasarap yung usapan. But we feel your support. And we need your support until November 13 and sa mga susunod pa po na in the succeeding weeks. We need all the support we can get. And nakakatuwa kasi lahat kayo ngayon bumabalik na sa sinihan. So come, magkita-kita ulit tayo. Let's all watch this movie. It's gonna be worth your time. Thank you, MJ.
Of course, Kath. Alden, let's invite everybody. Saan ba kayo mapupuntahan?
Ito na nga. Ayan. Sige.
Balik.
Yan, see
There you
you
go.
this weekend on October 19 po at SM City Iloilo and SM City Caloocan on October 22. Follow Star Cinema and GMA Pictures social media for more updates on our Hello Again tour. Let's go.
Tickets are now available. Get your tickets now in advance in your favorite cinema.
Parang di ba ang dami nang bumili?
Yes!
Grabe!
Pwede sila bumili. Online then I think they can purchase it. So thank you din sa mga fans na nagpa-block screenings.
Dami na po. Maraming
Ang dami
salamat.
na. Thank
Grabe.
you. Thank you.
Sana mapuntahan nyo yun sa busy ng schedule nyo.
Best effort.
Best effort
Kaya,
tayo
effort.
dyan.
Try.
And speaking of advanced ticket selling to all our kapamilya and kapuso in the Middle East, you may now get your Hello Love Again tickets at Novo Cinemas and Star Cinemas. Now, thank you so much for joining us. But, Kath and Alden, you wanna thank everybody? Meron kayong gustong pasalamatan?
Yes, marami po kaming gustong pasalamatan, especially the brands na nagpakita ng suporta sa movie. Abangan. kung ano yun, maganda yun. So, I'll say my thank yous muna. Ivy Clinic Family, Dr. Ivy and Dr. Z, Anchor Land Real Estate, AIA Philippines Insurance, Banco, my BPI family, Bench Apparel, CAD, Center for Advanced Dentistry, Century Tuna, Colgate, Energen Cereal, KFC, Fresh and Hand Body Lotion, Gatorade, thank you so much. My Great Taste Coffee family, Conzays, Ideal Vision Center. Maraming salamat, Ideal Vision Center. Kasi grabe lang yung support nila talaga. Even sa mall shows and sa movie. Thank you so much. Thank you, IVI. IV Premium Collagen Drinks, Lancome. Fragrance, thank you, Landers. Maggie Magic Sarap. Nutri-Chunks Dog Food and Pet Care Center. Ponds. Face cleansers, facial wash, and everything. My Unilever family, thank you so much. Of course, my Real Me family, my Shawarma Shack family, Sunsilk, thank you, Talk and Text, TCL Appliances, V Jewelry, Uratex, and to all the brands na patuloy na nagtitiwala sa akin and sa amin ni Alden. We appreciate your support, especially for the movie. Thank you so much.
So much love. Alden.
Maraming salamat po, of course, to I Am Worldwide, my I Am Worldwide family, to the Cebuana Liwilier family, Silun Tires, Oxycure, to my Head and Shoulders family po, the Hungry Pita, BDO, of course, Casino Plus, Sting, and to McDonald's po. Maraming salamat. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Alden. Palakpakan natin the whole team of Hello Love Again with Catherine and Alden and Direct Cathy. November 13 in cinemas nationwide and cinemas worldwide. Ayan. let's have a group photo. Tayo lang po muna tayo for a group photo. Thank you to our cast members, Jobert, Kevin, Mark, and Marvin. Sama kayo sa photo op. Huwag kayong aalis daw dyan. Ayan.
Ay, nainggit ako. Magte-thank you na rin ako. EO Executive Optical, thank you. And Tony and Guy, thank you. I am worldwide, thank you.
Kala nyo kayo lang may mga family. Thank you to my Gamboa family.
Thank you, Janica, Joras, and Val. Let's have Kath, Alden, and Direct Kathy. Humihingi na agad si Direct Kathy ng copy ng photos. Thank you, Direct Kathy. Let's have Catherine and Alden.
Balikan man ang hirap, luha at lahat.